Hello students, I am Rajeshwar, your geography teacher. Today we will discuss about chapter 18 Antarctica. Antarctica, which literally means opposite of the Arctic, lies around the South Pole. It is surrounded by Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean, and together they form the Southern Ocean. The continent almost in circular shape and a narrow piece of land expanded toward the north toward South America. The eastern part is bigger, as you are able to see, is known as the Great Antarctica, and the western part is lesser or the smaller is known as the Lesser Antarctica. There are two broad inlets of water body, namely the Weddell Sea is upside in the north and the Ross Sea. Mount Erebus, an active volcano, is located in the Ross Sea. You are able to see as the triangle is formed here. Physical feature: Antarctica would be the smallest continent if it did not have ice caps. Ice caps are the thick layer of snow and that permanently cover the land. The ice caps of Antarctica is approximately 2200 meter thick. It is added to the original surface and height of the continent. Hence, Antarctica is called white continent. As you are able to see, no other color is there. The Antarctic ice caps, the largest reserve of fresh water in the world, contains 70% of the world fresh water. And think for a while, if all the ice of this continent melt, then what will happen? What will happen? It will increase the sea level and some of the coastal cities will sink down under a thick water. And some coastal cities will disappear from the world map. There is no coastal plain on this continent. Ice and snow cover 98% of the land of Antarctica. Transantarctic mountains lies between the eastern and western Antarctica, and these mountains have ice-free rocky areas. We call them dry valleys. They are carved out by glacier and some of them have lakes. The Antarctic Peninsula, which points toward South America, is continuous of the Andes Mountains. Now we will discuss about the climate. As you are able to see in the map that Antarctica is fully covered with snow. They have very low temperature. Antarctica lies in the southern hemisphere and therefore the seasons here are opposite of what we experience in the northern hemisphere. Cold and long winter season lasts from April to September. During this season, temperature are very low, sometime going down to minus 70 degrees Celsius. At that time, some of the intensely cold and strong winds blow, and these winds are known as blizzards. When these winds blow in this region, they bring the snowfall in this region. Sun does not rise over the horizon for about 3 months, during which twilight is experienced. Summer month lasts from November to February, during which time the sun never sets. So there is a continuous light. The temperature, however, seldom rise above freezing point. Thus, it is colder here than around the North Pole. As you know, land cools faster than water and takes longer time than water to heat. That's why North Pole is warmer than the South Pole. And the landmass of Antarctica. Antarctica is the coldest continent and also often referred the polar desert, as it receives only 5 to 10 centimeter of snowfall and no rainfall at all. Thank you. Sufficient for today.